you do with pencils? Pencils?
It's graphic, it's hand embellished. I've been working on this image for 2017.
That's
But this is the one that,
oh, that's really nice. Do you have a whole portfolio?
yeah,
It's really
none
nice.
of the graphics.
I love David.
Now
Now he's got an Instagram. Apparently he's David. Very nice. David Fung on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
P-H-U-N-G. Fung.
That's me.
That's him, David Fung. Very talented. What song was that, by the way?
That was Anyone by Justin Bieber.
Anyone by Justin Bieber. That was so beautiful. I thought it was Celine Dion for a second.
No, it's Justin Bieber.
Yeah, but the way you perform it, you know,
Yeah, for sure. I feel like.
anything on the violin sounds kind of like, you know, I mean, well,
Thank you.
very, very good. Justin Bieber. That's great to do a cover of Justin Bieber.
Thank you.
Who else do you do covers of, pop-wise?
I do like Ed Sheeran. I do Coldplay.
Ed Sheeran, Coldplay. What about The Weeknd?
Yeah, I got you. Weekend.
Yeah?
Yeah, I
The
got
Weeknd,
one.
Saving My Tears or something?
Yeah.
Do we? Okay, great.
Do.
You don't mind if I post it on YouTube, do you?
No, you're fine, bro.
Okay, I actually did a photograph of your information,
Yeah,
so if
that'd be
they
great.
see it, you know?
Sounds good, brother.
Awesome. Cool. So, if you want to see it, it's Beach Gypsy on YouTube.
Alright,
Beach
check it out.
Gypsy.
Yeah, I got
Okay,
it.
cool. Here we go. The Weeknd, Saving My Tears for You by David Fung. Beautiful. Thank you. Beach videos, tourist videos, talking videos. Leave some comments if you'd like to offer some advice. And there's the ocean. And there's still people out there dressed warmly. We're in Huntingbeach, California, everyone. We are now approaching the lifeguard tower on the left, and it's dark, it's dusk, but we'll call this the Exploring Huntington Beach at Night tour. I don't know why I wanna run away. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. Alright, that was very beautiful and inspiring. It's a little dark, so I'm going to conclude this video with a shot of the lifeguard tower on the Huntington Beach pier. Now at the end we have a very nice restaurant. Check out my video from earlier today. I actually relaxed and had a glass of Malbec wine. It was really, really nice. And we're gonna head back now. Thanks for watching Beach Gypsy. I'm just gonna keep walking and see who I run into and talk to a few people on the way if it happens, and shut up for a little bit and just see what happens. Now there looks like there's a full moon tonight. It's really gorgeous out. It's a clear sky, some cloud cover, not a lot. All right, we're gonna head back to the main street and conclude this nighttime video and post this as soon as I can. Now, I hope you subscribe and like and comment, and believe me, I'm gonna get better at this, so I'm gonna post more videos. I love it. I mean, so good. Till we meet again. Oh, we've got like flamethrower jugglers now. So we'll go film some flame jugglers and head back. Ándale, pásala. Now, it's November 6th, 2022 in Huntington Beach, and it is absolutely gorgeous out. We've got people in shorts, we've got people in flip-flops, we've got people in tank tops, we have people playing frisbee, volleyball, everything. I'm sorry I'm a little jumpy, but I drank some coffee today, and I'm just, you know, the thing about living in beach cities is you get a lot of positive energy by being so close to the ocean.